Today I will tell you how to prove irrationality of numbers. This is the topic from chapter 1 of NCERT textbook of class 10th, real numbers. In this is the most important topic which repeatedly comes in the board examinations. So I will prove root 2 to be an irrational number. So here we are proving how that root 2 is an irrational number. These proofs are done by contradiction method. So we will assume that let's assume that root 2 is a rational number. So when we are taking root 2 to be a rational number, we can write it in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers by definition and Q is not equal to 0. But here we will take one important thing, that P and Q are co-prime integers, where P and Q are co-prime integers and Q is not equal to 0. This is a very important condition that we have to take. Co-prime means P and Q will have no common factors. That is, nothing can be cancelled or it cannot be simplified further. Now we will square both the sides of this equation. Squaring both sides, we will get root 2 square equal to P by Q square. Square of any irrational number, square root and square, they are inverse functions, so they will cancel out and we will get a 2 here. 2 equals to P square upon Q square. Then we will take Q square to the other side and we get 2Q square equal to P square. So that means 2 and Q square both are factors of P square. It means this, as P square is expressed as 2 and Q square. So 2 is a factor of P square and Q square is also a factor of P square. Thus, we will write that by fundamental theorem of arithmetic, we have 2 is a factor of P square, implies that 2 is a factor of P also. If a number is a factor of square of any number, then it will be a factor of the base number also. So this becomes our equation number 1. That 2 is a factor of P. Now I will do a substitution. I will take P equal to 2C, where C is any positive integer. Now I will substitute this value of P in the equation above, this equation. So I can write 2q square equal to, in place of p square I will write 2c square. So I will get 2q square equal to 4c square. So q square equal to, this 2 I will bring to the other side, so it will divide and I will get this, and this gives me that q square equal to 2c square. Now again I have got the thing that q square has two factors, 2 and c square. That means 2 is a factor of q square. So again, by the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, I will get that 2 is a factor of q square and also 2 is a factor of q. Implies that let us call this as equation 2. Now from equation 1 and equation 2 we get that from equation 1 and 2 we conclude that 2 is a common factor of p and q. But we have assumed in the beginning that p and q are co-prime integers. They have no common factors. Thus, our assumption is contradicted because we have found one common factor 2. But p and q are co-prime. Thus, it contradicts our assumption that root 2 is an rational number. Therefore, root 2 is an irrational number. Similarly, we can prove for root 3, root 5 also to be irrational numbers. Thank you.